All right, so back with just one last one about the fractions from 2a. We are asked here to write 3/4 and 5/6 with common denominators. So we have the concept that we're going to use, because remember these questions are asking us to identify those, is once again a times 1 equals a. So anything, any number times 1 will equal itself. So in order to write these with common denominators, we can multiply them by factors of 1. So in this case, I'm going to try to think of something that 6 and 4 have in common. You could say 24, right? Or you could say 12. Let's say 12 just to make it easier on ourselves for now. So that's going to be my denominator. And then from here, we can ask ourselves, what times 4 would equal 12? 3 times 4, right? And because it's a factor of 1 that we're creating, that means that this fraction has to equal 1. So it can only be one thing, 3/3. So if we were to go all the way on this, we could say 3 times 3 is 9. And that's showing that we got this equivalent fraction. That's a term you'll probably want to use. And that we've gotten that by creating, maybe creating is not the best word, but a factor of 1. And I would definitely write this somewhere in your explanation, because this is what he's looking for. Over and over again in these explanations, he is looking for a times 1 equals a. All right, so we're going to do the same thing with 5/6 over here. I have 5/6, and because we're looking for that common denominator of 12, I can then ask myself, six times what would equal 12? 6 times 2 would equal 12. And if this has to be a factor of 1, that means that this must be 2/2. So once again, this is our factor of 1. And then we can finish this. 5 times 2 is 10. So then we have our answer 9/12 and 10/12. We've written these as common denominators.